Okay, y'all, I did this whole video while under the influence. So, just a heads up, do not do makeup while drunk.
We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky.
So to begin with, I'm laughing for some odd reason, but I'm starting off with doing my brows, and I'm using Cabral in the number 5. So let me just say, like, I filmed this video over the weekend, and I'm doing the voiceover like a day or two later. So I'm sober while doing the voiceover. So while editing the video and doing my voiceover, I found it to be so funny because I took a lot of stuff out, but like I was laughing for weird and odd reasons. At the time of doing this video, y'all, my 2-year-old and my 3-year-old were standing in front of the TV dancing to trap music. And right here, I'm just going in to clean up my brows, and I'm using my LA Girl concealer in the color Fawn, and I went back on top in the color Toast. But my 2- and 3-year-old were dancing to trap music in front of the TV, and my boyfriend was sitting on the couch, and he kept trying to get up and kiss me, and he knew I was intoxicated, and he was just trying to make the video more awkward. But I feel like I did a perfect job on my brows. I think I did better than I do sometimes while sober on my brows. Like, I was so focused, they came out perfect. Okay, y'all, I feel like I'm super late because I just purchased the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. Y'all, me and that vapor, like, I love my vapor. I have to have my vapor. But anywho, yeah, I just recently purchased the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. So this is like my first time trying it. And the fact that I was drunk, I just went like super bold. I had no idea like what look I was going for. I remember looking at my boyfriend, I'm like, do blue, pink, and purple go together? He's like, you're drunk, so it really don't matter. Like, whatever you do, you're intoxicated, so even if it come out bad, it'll look good. Like, looking back at this video, I feel like to be intoxicated, I did a bomb job. Like, and when I say I was lit, like, y'all, I was litty. I had drunk a good bit of liquor. I was feeling real nice. So I was, yeah, like I said, I was lit. If I was sober, I would have definitely blended those colors out a lot better than what I blended them. I'm not really feeling that blend, sister. Like, no, that had to be the effect of the liquor that made me blend that eyeshadow out like that. I mean, it's not that bad, but it's definitely not that good either. I do know at the beginning my goal was to go for like a red, black, and white look. That's why I had on the red bandana, and for some reason I could not find a red eyeshadow, or maybe I just forgot where all my stuff was. I don't know, but for some reason that whole idea just went out of my head when I started when I pulled out the Take Me to Brazil palette, I'm like, I'm gonna just go with some bright colors, and for some reason I went with blue, purple, and pink. So this eyeliner is an eyeliner that I bought from Kmart. When our Kmart went out of business here, they had a whole bunch of makeup on sale for like $1 and $2, and I picked up this eyeliner. I do remember that my eyeliner came out really whack at the ending, like the tip. I don't know what I done or what I did, or if it was just the eyeliner because it was cheap, but it did not come out really the way I wanted, but it was cute. So I use a sample primer that I got from Sephora, and it is the Becca primer, and I love this primer. I'm actually thinking about going and buying a full-size bottle. I don't know why all of a sudden I decided to take that off. I'm using my MAC foundation, and y'all, what in God's name am I doing right here? I have no idea. Like I said, I was so freaking lit. So yeah. So I was using a dark concealer out of my ABH palette to cover up this burn that I have on my forehead. I don't know, I think by the time I try to put on the foundation over, it kind of wiped away. As you can see right there, it's like you can see the pink back. So I had to go in a couple of times to try to get it to be full coverage. And I'm combining two of my Tarte Shape concealers, and that's what I'm using to highlight my face. Y'all, this is actually a new blush that I bought, and it's by Black Radiance, and y'all, it is so pretty. Like, I think it go with my skin perfectly. I'm not sure how well it went with the eyeshadow, but I think that is a blush that I will be using on like a daily basis when I beat my face, when I slay. I decided that I wanted to wear a wig, but it was literally supposed to be just makeup and eyeshadow. But for some reason, I was just like, you know what? Like, I might as well throw on a wig. And y'all, I do not know the name of this wig, but I do know that it's a synthetic wig. And I haven't worn it in a while, even though she was just hanging up. But she was nappy. Like, I had to comb and detangle and condition her and all that good stuff. Y'all, it's so funny because I do remember losing one of my lashes, and like it has stuck to my foundation bottle and I couldn't find it. And it literally took me like 10 minutes to find that eyelash. And y'all, I'm guessing that's pretty much my finished look. I do feel like I could have put my lashes on a tad bit better, but y'all, that's it.